Alright, y'all, so y'all already know what it is, man. We hearing a lot when it comes to shock drop.
Yep.
And my question to y'all is, does it even matter anymore?
Nope.
Does shock drop even make a difference? Because for me, I'm to the point now where I'm like, I don't need a sneaker early. You feel what I'm saying? The way sneakers are actually sitting on the shelf and stuff like that, or I'm even able to get them at under retail, why do I need a shock drop to happen to cop at a sneaker? You feel what I'm saying? But what do y'all think? Do y'all agree? But let's talk about 2 potential shock drops that we could be getting this week. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth. Different scenery, you know what I'm saying, but same old vibes. If this is your first time tapping into the channel, welcome. I'm your boy Truth. Today we're gonna be talking about a topic that I feel like it's lost its aura. I feel like people ain't as hyped and it don't have the impact within the sneaker community much anymore.
Nope.
But as always, feel free to chime in down below in the comment section. Now, if you are a reoccurring subscriber, I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for always rocking with your boy. We are almost at 40,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. The goal was 50,000 subscribers by the end of 2025, but nonetheless, I am grateful for everything that you guys have done and for all the new subscribers and followers. I appreciate you guys. So I hope you guys continue to enjoy the content. Now, with all that being said, shock drops, man. I feel like shock drops don't have the same impact like they used to. I remember whenever I heard about a shock drop, it was like everything stopped. You feel what I'm saying? Nothing. If I was at work, I would literally postpone every event or everything to make sure within the 3-hour time frame that it was potentially going to shock drop, I was available and I didn't miss on it. And when you missed on a shock drop, it hurt, bruh. Like, you were impacted heavy. Like, your day was messed up. You know what I'm saying? It was like a breakup. It felt real bad. Now, a shock drop really ain't a shock drop. Everybody knows about it. We have potential times. People are tweeting. They give us a 15-minute warning. So is it really a shock drop? But allegedly, we might be getting a shock drop this week of the Gamma 11s, which the way that it's been happening over the last couple of years, we always got a shock drop of the Holiday 11. So that's not a shocker. And also, they're saying that, because I know EU did have a shock drop of the Black Cat 4s, that we potentially could get one tomorrow or the next day prior to the shoe releasing. Now, me, myself, I'm to the point where I'm like, even if they shock drop the sneaker, who cares? You know what I'm saying? Like, the shoe drops on Friday. I already have it reserved to be picked up. I don't have to wait on it, so I really don't care about it being shock drop, you know? So I feel like for the Black Cat 4s, this would be a waste of a shock drop. Now for the Gammas, everybody want their Gammas early. They want their 11s early. So a shock drop on the 11s is not a bad idea. A shock drop on any joint 11 would never be a bad idea, in my opinion. But what's the point of them? You know what I'm saying? I think we need to change the name. I don't think it needs to be shock drop anymore to early drop maybe, because everybody knows about it. And you literally are on the sneakers app and they're telling you you have 15 minutes or 10 minutes before the sneaker drops. So it's not like it's an actual shock drop. It sounds good, but it's not a legitimate shock drop like it used to be anymore, in my opinion. But y'all let me know down in the comment section. Am I bugging? How do y'all feel about shock drops? Do y'all feel like that it's kind of lost this kind of hype and stuff like that? The whole aura and vibe that comes along with that feeling of getting the sneaker early and the shock dropping and you feel like you got a prize. Nike kind of has like faded that out. And now it's to the point where, like, even if it's a shock drop, it might sit around on the app and people might not want it. Nike might have to pull it and just wait till the actual release date to drop them, depending on the sneaker, in my opinion. But y'all comment down below, let me know what your thoughts and opinions are. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what's like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, including shock drops, is bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get a